I'm telling you a story. There was a man and he has a child. The man went to play his drums, and then slowly he took his child where he went to play his drums. Then his child learnt the drums, and he would also play the drum with his father. And then one man called him to his fair where the fair was being held. Then the man said to them, then you go at the height of the fair, means in the middle of the fair, and start playing your drums on the sheet by sitting. And slowly people came from near and far. They visited it, and some people would come slowly, and they would see the player and his son, and then they would give coins, rupees. Then they would have the drummer and his son got money, and they both went to their house. In the middle they had to cross a forest. With the forest was the drummer knew that the forest was the house to some deadly robbers. The robbers would steal many things from where the people passed, and then they would have to go the empty-handed. But the drummer's son did not lose hope, and he kept playing drums by saying to his father that this will scare the robbers away. But it did not scare the robbers away, it attracted the robbers. It attracted means इसने बुला लिया robbers को पास अपने. This sound of the drumming bring the robbers closer to them, and the robbers thought that how many people were crossing the road. They thought that so many people were crossing the road, so they hid behind the trees and looked at how many people were crossing the road. No many people, not too much people. There were only 2 people crossing the road. Okay, then they did not wait for anyone. They went quietly and aimed at those 2 people, and they were trying to kill them by saying this: if you don't give me your money, I will kill you. You shouldn't say this word to anyone, because this is very bad thing. Okay, so you shouldn't say it to anyone. And then they took all the money from them both, and they had to go empty-handed to their house. Bye. We'll meet in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.